Friends, mixture and alligation is a very important topic for CAT examination preparation. The weightage of this topic is too high. Okay, so good number of questions asked from this topic. So I'm going to solve a question from the previous year from this topic, mixture and alligation. So you solve it with me. Okay, you learn it. Okay. So the question is, Anil mixes coca with sugar in the ratio 3:2. Okay, so the ratio is of coca and sugar. And prepare mixer A. So this is mixer A. Okay, and coffee with sugar in the ratio 7:3 to prepare mixer B. Okay, he combines mixers A and B in the ratio 2:3 to make a mixer C. Okay, so if he mixes C with an equal amount of milk, okay, and making a drink, okay, then the percentage of sugar in this drink will be. This is the question. So let us understand the question first. So we have mixer A where the ratio is 3:2. Okay, this one, and this ratio is of coca and sugar. So this is coca and this is sugar. We have the second mixer B. The ratio is 7:3. You see this 7:3. This is a mixer 7:3. So 7 is what? 7 is coffee and 3 sugar. This is your coffee and this is sugar. Now these two mixers, okay, mixed in the ratio 2:3. So 2 is A and 3 is B, and it is C. So this is basically C. Okay, now again this C has been mixed with milk. Okay, how much milk? The volume, C has the same volume of milk. Okay, so now you need to say the percentage of sugar. So this is the question. I hope you must have understood it. So we have A, we have B, we have the ratio of coca and sugar in A, we have the ratio of coffee and sugar in B. These things have been mixed and formed C with the ratio 2:3. Okay, and C has been mixed with milk and another drink has been prepared. So solving this question is quite easy. Okay, so how to solve this such type of questions? Okay, so you don't know like what is the volume of A, B, C, or maybe of milk. Okay, so you assume the volume of C is, since this is 2, since this is 3, so total is 2 plus 3 5. Okay, total is 2 plus 3 5. Okay, so I am assuming the volume is, let it be 500 unit. Okay, so let the volume of C is 500 unit. Then you can say, okay, this is 2 part is what? A, basically A. So A is going to be 200. 2 part means 200 unit, and this is 3 part is 300 unit. That is going to be B. Okay, so now in A, what is sugar? What is sugar? Sugar is 2 part out of 3 and 2, 5 parts. So the sugar, then the sugar is going to be 2 out of 5, and the total sugar is total A is 200. So multiplying by 200, it is going to be 40 into 2, 80 unit. Okay, so sugar is going to be 80 unit out of 200 unit in A, right? Now what is sugar in B? So this is 3 parts. Okay, 3 part out of 7 plus 3, 10 parts. So 3 out of 10, and the total is 300. Total B is 300. So 1 zeros cancel out. So this is 90 unit. Okay, so 80 unit in A and 90 unit in B. So it means that 500 unit what C has. Okay, the sugar is 80 plus 90, that is going to be 170 unit. So sugar is, now we have 170 units. Now it has been asked in the question, that person has mixed with milk and the milk volume is the same. So it means if C is 500 unit, so milk is also 500 unit. Okay, so total is going to be 1000 unit. 500 plus 1000 unit, and out of this 1000 unit the sugar is 170. So what is the percentage of sugar? 1000 out of 1000, it is 170, it means 17%, right? So this is the volume of the sugar in the drink, okay, with the milk, right? So the answer is 17%. So friends, it was a very easy question. Okay, hope you have understood this. Okay, so for any such type of questions, keep following the Prayas India CAT series. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.